Hi, my name's Chris Dadswell. I'm your service coordinator here in Window City. My job is basically to coordinate when the services come in from either the phone calls from our online service or if it comes through email to determine which route is going to be the best to service your needs. So the easiest way to make sure that the service is going to be completed in a timely fashion is if the customer provides us with the serial number of the unit. Each order that goes out has a serial number attached to it. All of the window glass has a serial number inside of that, which indicates which window that is for us, along with providing the overall order number. If you can't find it and you send me an email at service@windowcity.com, then I can promptly respond to you. I will guide you to where you can locate that serial number, and then we can move forward to getting your service completed.